Welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write lowercase h and then go through some words that begin with the letter. So let's begin. To write lowercase h, start from the top, go down, up, around and down. Down, up, around and down. Down, up, around and down. Now let's go through some words. H for hot dog. H for hospital. H for happy. H for hand. And finally, H for hot air balloon. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.